Oh, yeah. Zesting with the almonds that do.
Hey everyone, I hope you're doing okay. Charlotte and I just got back from giving blood. We're feeling pretty tired, pretty snacky. She's just made herself some toast, but I remembered the other day I went to the farm shop and I got some sweetbreads. The sweetbreads get a bad rep. People get a bit squeamish about them, but do not knock it till you try it. You can actually make them pretty darn tasty and they're a fine treat, especially post giving blood. So I'm cooking them up on the barbecue there with some garlic, some rosemary, some salt and pepper, just keeping it simple because they're great on their own. And let's see how those come out. Cooking up some sweetbreads, 'cause you know I live the fine life. So I'm just going to leave those cooking in there, just leave them be. I'm going to leave them for as much as a half hour, depending on how they cook, just occasionally uncovering to give them a little stir. Left the grates open halfway so they get a good hot cook, but hopefully still a bit of a smoky flavour from the barbecue. Hello, gorgeous. Give you a little mix. So yeah, we get some nice colour there. Those are coming along very nicely. I think we're going to keep them on the direct heat for about another, say 10, max 15 minutes. After that, I'll move them from that to the indirect heat, and I'm going to add some rosemary sprigs into there to get a nice rosemary smoke going on. Looking good. So look carefully, without burning myself. Move them to the edge, so the lid can still close. And then we're going to just poke some rosemary in. For extra smoke. That looks lovely. Okay, so I say another 20 minutes like this, with a few more movements, a few more stirs in between, and these should be ready to eat. Small update, these are coming along nicely. I've just made the decision now to cut them up into nice little bite-sized pieces and put them back over the direct heat for a bit more just to re-char. I'll then continue the slow cook a little bit longer, but they're smelling great and the knife went through them like a dream. They're super tender.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, sweetbreads are ready. They are looking great, they're smelling great, and I'm going to give them a little go right now. Looks not too hot. Just look at that, look how sexy. Look how crispy. Very hot though. So good, you guys. So simple, so easy, a really delicious rare treat. Give it a go.
A boom ba beam ba doom da dee da. Don't forget to subscribe. Ba dee da do da dee da la dee. And it's also nice to give us a like.